If you're new to oil painting, you've probably heard terms like impasto or grisaille and wondered, what do they mean? In this video, I'll break down some common oil painting terms so you can sound and paint like a pro. Alla prima is an Italian phrase that translates to "at first attempt." It refers to a painting technique where the artist applies paint in a single session, working directly with wet paint rather than building up layers over time. This is also known as wet on wet or direct painting. The approach dates back to the 17th century. Impasto means applying a thick paint to the canvas so brushstrokes or palette knife marks stand out. It creates texture and adds drama to a painting. Grisaille is a monochromatic underpainting, usually in shades of gray or brown. An artist uses it to establish values before adding color glazes on top. I've done quite a few of these monochromatic underpaintings. Also, an underpainting in general is just the first layer of paint that maps out values and composition and shapes. It gives you a solid foundation before you build up color. It's a good idea to start a painting with an underpainting. It really helps you know where you're going. Glazing is applying thin, transparent layers of paint over dry layers, and it can change color, deepen shadows, and add a richness and luminosity to your painting. I have to admit I haven't tried this yet, but I'm going to. Fat over lean is a rule that means each new paint layer should have more oil than the one below it. This prevents cracking as the painting dries. Now you know some of the most common oil painting terms. Which of these do you want to try in your own work? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more painting tips. Right now I'm working on a video of a painting that is 24 by 36. And it's huge, and I wasn't able to get it done this week, but I'll definitely show it to you next week. It's quite an undertaking. I look forward to hearing what you guys think about it. Happy painting!